Hello students, this video is about algebraic identities and their application for class 9. Identities are those relations which are true for any value of variable. Identities look like simple equations, but the difference is simple equations have particular solutions. Simple equations are true for particular values of variables, whereas identities are true for all possible values of variables. Now, we have studied some identities in class 8, 4 identities. I'll be discussing those 4 identities here in this video. The first identity is a plus b whole square, and as you already know, it is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this identity should be applied when there are two terms connected by a plus sign and its whole square is to be expanded. And one thing should be taken in mind, that there will be three terms. A plus b whole square when expanded gives three terms. Out of these, two terms are again whole squares, whole square of a and whole square of b, and the third term is twice of the product of those a and b. And now we can see in this example, this is whole square of 3x plus 4y. So the two terms are 3x and 4y. A equal to 3x and b equal to 4y. Then on applying the identity, it will be whole square of a, that is whole square of 3x, plus 2 times first term 3x into second term 4y. So 2 times 3x into 4y, and plus b square, that is the square of the second term, that is 4y. So 4y whole square. Now on opening those whole square, 3x whole square becomes 9x square. 2 into 3x into 4y becomes 24xy, and whole square of 4y becomes 16y square. So that is how it should be applied. Next, second identity, it is a minus b whole square. It is similar to the first identity. It also gives the same three terms. The only difference is the difference in the sign of the middle term 2ab. In case of a plus b whole square, 2ab also has positive sign, but in this identity 2ab has a minus sign, and this minus sign comes because of this minus sign between a and b in this identity. Whole square terms are always positive. So as in case of the first identity, a square and b square were there, here also a square and b square are there. The difference is in the sign of the middle term 2ab. So when it is applied to questions, like in this example, if I have to expand 2x minus 5y whole square, the two terms are connected by minus and its whole square is to be taken out. So applying the identity, it will be a square 2x square minus 2ab. So 2 into 2x into 5y, and plus b square, so square of 5y. Then on simplifying, we get square of 2x 4x square, and 2 2s are 4 5s are 20xy with minus sign, and plus square of 5y is 25y square. Then the third identity is x square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y. This identity, as can be seen from what I have written here, in this identity there are two whole square terms connected by a minus sign. These two terms must be whole squares. So This helps in factorization. This can be written as x plus y. In one bracket we add those two terms whose whole squares are there on the left hand side, and in another bracket we subtract the second term from the first. So x minus y. X plus y into x minus y. Now while applying, as in the next example, we have to ensure that the two terms are whole squares and there is a minus sign. So here there is a minus sign, but these terms are not in the whole square form. So first we have to arrange them. So 9x square can be written as whole square of 3x, and 4y square can be written as whole square of 2y. Now we can apply the identity. So as per the identity, it will become 3x plus 2y into 3x minus 2y. Next, the fourth identity is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b in bracket multiplied by x plus a into b. This identity is applied when there are two brackets in which the first terms are same. Like here, x is here also and x is in the second bracket also, and the second terms are different. Then it is equal to square of the same terms, x square, plus those different terms are added in a bracket multiplied by that same term x, and plus product of those different terms in the two brackets a into b. Let's take an example for this identity also. Suppose we have to multiply these two, 2x plus y into 2x plus 5, 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 5. So in these two brackets we can see first terms are same. That is the condition for this identity. 2x is here also and in the second bracket also, and the second terms are different. So we can apply this identity, and on applying the identity it is square of the first term. So first term is 2x in both the brackets, so square of 2x, plus those different terms a and b added in a bracket, so 3 plus 5 in a bracket multiplied by the same term. The same term here is 2x, so multiplied by 2x, plus product of different terms, that is product of 3 into 3 and 5. So on simplifying, it becomes 4x square plus 16x plus 15. So these were the first four identities. Remaining identities I will be discussing in the next video. Thank you.